Hi everyone, my name is Blair from Bloom with Blair here on YouTube, and today I am here with HomeAglow to share my daily, weekly, and monthly living room cleaning checklist. So for my daily living room cleaning, these are things that I can do 5 to 10 minutes every day to keep the mess down when it comes time for my weekly and monthly cleaning. So every day I like to remove any dirty plates or glasses from my coffee table. I also go ahead and throw away any trash that may be laying around. Then I go ahead and pick up any toys that are on the floor and any other items that are laying around in the living room. I always say straightening my sofa cushions and throw blankets is one of the easiest ways to making my living room look more put together. And the last thing on my daily living room cleaning checklist is to wipe the coffee table off. Now, don't worry if you don't have time to keep your living room nice and clean. You can always book a affordable and professional cleaner on HomeAglow. So as far as my weekly cleaning checklist, I'm touching and wiping down more surfaces. So my weekly cleaning checklist is good when you're ready to reset for a new week. This consists of dusting my faux plants, mirrors, lamps, and window seals. I like to vacuum underneath the couch cushions because you never know what you'll find under there. After that, I like to vacuum the rug and the floor of the living room as well. I always like to wipe down any light switches and remotes because these are high traffic touch areas that can be full of germs. And for a nice refresh, I like to wipe down all of my furniture surfaces as well. So my monthly cleaning checklist usually consists of deeper cleaning of dust and dirt from those places that you often forget to clean on a daily basis. So this usually consists of a lot of dusting. I like to dust my ceiling fan. I remove any cobwebs from the ceiling. I also like to dust my walls and baseboards and the blinds. If you like more tips like these, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. See you again soon.